Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be talking about how you can swap your secret ANDR or Andromeda tokens back to the public SCRT secret token. This is a question I've received a couple of times now. In fact, I've done another video where I talked about doing this process as part of trying to get the Andromeda tokens over into your Kepler wallet and on the Andromeda mainnet. So this video is going to be much shorter, much simpler. We're going to be diving into the Shade protocol site here, and I'm going to show you exactly what needs to be done. The abbreviated version is you're simply going to swap your secret Andromeda to secret secret, and then you unwrap that secret secret, and then it's the publicly viewable secret token. Again, have a bunch of questions on this, so let's dive in real quickly and talk about what we're going to do. So I've already purchased or I should say swapped for the Andromeda, the private Andromeda, and you'll notice it's a little tough to see, but you see the little secret logo right there on the Andromeda logo. That means that this is private Andromeda. And so we've got just a little bit of it. Now, the user that was contacting me was curious, how do I swap this back to the sCRT public token, which is the one we see here on top. And this is different than secret secret because this is unwrapped. No viewing key is required to view the public secret token. If I was to scroll down a little bit, here is the private secret token, and you can see the logo has a little secret S in it up here, and it's preceded by a lowercase s. So let's go ahead and knock this out. I'm going to come over to the swap function here on the Shade protocol site. I'm going to choose the secret Andromeda because the idea is that we want to take that secret Andromeda and get secret. Now, you might be wondering, why is there no function here? If I type in sCRT, you'll notice I can't swap it to the public secret. And I actually just opened a ticket up with the Shade team asking for this functionality to be included, to be able to swap from secret assets or wrapped private assets to the public sCRT token, and skipping the wrapping step, because they could price in the fee for the unwrapping to get it to the sCRT if that's what you wanted to do. So hopefully we would see that functionality here in the future. So again, we're going to swap it to secret secret. Now, we just covered this in the previous video about that view balance, right? If I want to be able to see what I've got, because this is a privacy-preserving version of the sCRT token, and let's click confirm. We're going to click approve. It's a penny to generate that viewing key. You can see the JSON data up here. Set viewing key, right? A little Python dictionary, if you will. All right, so there we go. So let's go ahead and I'll do, let's do half of this here. So we'll say 0.05 of my secret private Andromeda, and I'm going to be swapping that over to secret secret. And so here we go. We're going to get our fee, 14 cents. I'm going to see if I can downshift that by half to 7 cents. We'll click approve. And this is only going to take a few seconds to happen. So this would be the first step, is that we have to swap the secret private Andromeda to the secret private secret. Now that that's taken place, if I come over here to the portfolio page and we'll take a look at the assets that we currently see, you can see right here, there is my S secret or my secret secret, which is the private sCRT token. And that's what we just swapped half of our private Andromeda for, again, because we can't go directly to the public secret token. Well, how do we get the S secret to be public secret? Well, as you can see here, I came to wrap and it's already kind of queued up. I'm going to flip this around. I'm going to say I want the max. And again, it's almost a it is 1 for 1 here, right? Basically the same token, except one is the wrapped privacy preserving version and the other is not. The other is the public version. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to unwrap that secret secret or that private secret and make it public secret. And that's it. So let's come over to our portfolio page, unwrap success, and you can see how quickly this takes place. And now, over here, I've got no private secret. And everything was unwrapped, and so now it is a public token. And you'll also see this If you wanted to, you could check in your Kepler wallet, what I believe to be the most or the best wallet that's out there, and there is our secret balance, and you can see it matches up perfectly. All right, well, that's it for this video. Again, a lot of questions on this because of that intermediate step of having to unwrap, or I should say, do the swap to secret, and then just unwrap it. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. As always, I hope I've earned the privilege of your time, and I hope to see you in the next video.